anomalya sa flood control projects. Although wala
Ilatsing yung deputa nanguna sa pag-imbestiga sa flood control yuta. Ano nga nanguna ang presidente mo sa flood control, Claire? Siya ang nanguna nga nagmatsyas. Ang presidente ang nanguna matsyas. Sanggates. Nanguna pa imbestiga sa ano? Kung wala na bukayo sa Diskaya bilat si Iloy, wala kaming alam. Siya ang nanguna, ano yan? Alam mo, kung ako, Bino, ka mga langlang sa lahat dyan, nga umaten sang putang ina nga wala pulos. Law, say, nga press briefing sa Iloilo, puro kamutatanan mga langlang. You listen to her bullshit? You listen to her lies? Ano ka mo man? Iyot! Isn't it that we stand for the truth and we promote the truth? So help me God. Nakinig kayo sang lalalasis bumbani sang abnormal niyo? She lies through her teeth. Iyot! Nanguna sa pag-ispredail ka kurang kanal! Imbestigasan mo, Clara! Kung wala na ginambog si Diskaya, nga bilat sing Iloy nga may 50 kabilog, may 50 luxurious cars, and they own a 700 million, what you call this art made of crystal, I don't know what. Hindi na bulabog ang buong Pilipinas dahil kung kayo lang, isisikret nyo yon. Bilat sing Iloy, mga gaga. Ay, kagaga, ganyan siya, bilat sing Iloy. Nangunguna. Saan siya nangunguna? Ha, Claire? Kung totoo nga nangunguna, sa dapat kulong na ngayon si Romaldes. Kasi si Romaldes ang leader doon sa House. Di representante. Correct? Grabe, alam nyo, it's not even the lie. It's the insult to our intelligence. This is what's happening. Keep sharing the live, guys, because I could see that sinashadow ban ako. I could see, I have notification. Keep sharing the live, keep sharing the live. Wala kalabot, kaysa naman mangawat ako dito. Oo, naglilimos. Palimos po ng konting awa. Bigyan nyo naman po ako dito ng konting awa, kaysa naman nakawan ko kayo or iskamin. Ano ang mas mainam? Mag-perform ka ng talent mo dito, babayaran ka ng talent fee mo, or magnakaw ka? Sige nga. Bilat si Iloy kabutigon.
inaakusan ang gobyerno kung sino ang guilty or not guilty. Pero kung kayo ay nababanggit na maaari may kinalaman, nararapat lamang po na imbestigahan. So ngayon po na may kaso, dahil ang pagkakaiba naman po kay Saldico, meron na po siyang kaso at ang kanyang passport po ay canceled. So lumalabas na siya ay fugitive.
No, he is not a fugitive. He is a star witness. You cancel his passport para i-gatekeep nyo siya. Bakit siya fugitive? May sentensya? Abi tanawon binaton, guys. Basi nagmangulang ko bala. One moment. Dagdagan ang mga stars. Thank you so much. Sinong nagbigay nito sa natin stars eh? Faye, 500,000. Babam. Share the live. Binder Michelle, thank you. Ang Gcash, wala pang laman. Bilat sing Iloy. Lagyan mo na ng laman ng Gcash ni Iloy, mga tinki, para ako ay maging maligaya. Kathy Maxi, thank you so much. Ay, hindi to paninira, gago, ugok. Paninira? Paano ito naging paninira? This is a description of your government. You fucking stupid fuck. Asudlin nyo ko danay. Hindi nyo ganit, di puta na mahuli. Bilat sing Iloy ang mga nasa tabi nyo lang. Tapos nangunguna sa iyo. Kayo lang mag-addict dyan. Huwag nyo kaming damayin. Kayo dumapatay sila kay Bugres. Gusto nila akong patayin. It is actually so obvious that they want to fucking gorgor me. Nag-update na ko ng aking insurance. Ay, oo eh. Bakit hindi ako mayubingi? Bilat sing Iloy. Nagnanakaw nga sila, Fugitive means a person who flees or tries to escape A person who flees a country or location to escape danger, such as war or persecution. Does it make him a criminal? No. A fugitive is a person who flees a country or location to escape danger, such as war or persecution. Ano ba lang ngayong kalagayan ni sarili ko? Okay. Or, involved in a criminal case who tries to elude law enforcement, especially by fleeing the jurisdiction. When you say fleeing the jurisdiction, is that when you left your country, you were already dealing with court cases, or you were already dealing with a criminal case when you left. So bago umalis si Saldico, ang tanong ko sa iyo, Maria Clara, may kaso na ba siya? Kayo naman na nagpalaya sa kanya. Ano sabi ni Romualdez sa kanya? Sabi ni Insider, magpatawhay ka muna. Mag-chill ka muna dahil mainit tayo. Kasi nagkabistuhan na nga sila Nagrayot ng taong bayan dahil sa gaga nga diskaya nga tanga na hindi yan naisip ang bilatsing iloy niya na so much of wealth that he could unexplain wealth calls for attention na dapat sana rule of mafia do not be of use. Yan ang sabi ng mga godfather. Kaya ang alpon ka diskaya kang bugira ang bilatsing iloy nung umalis si Saldico. Was he fleeing a case? He fled the country because he was sentenced already for a criminal case. Wala naman He went out of the country because you told him so. Dahil siya ang inyong namin kay Saldico. Bakit siya umalis? Tumakas na siya. Ganon ang inyong narrative. And we not even forget the statement that he recorded, that in the event that something is going to happen to him, this is his final statement regarding the stealing and malversation of public funds. Nakalimutan mo yun, Claire? Na meron siyang confession tape? Amo gani, napangita ko kuno sa NBI, excuse me, I am already speaking in Tagalog and English. I do not know how else I'm supposed to speak here when I am already doing smorgasbord of languages. I am already here a linguist. So, por favor, if you still do not understand the mixture in the mekos-mekos, then I don't know.
Na nalaman niya na isang fugitive ay maaari nang maibalik sa Pilipinas. Maganda pong balita yan.
Was he happy considering that Zaldico is one of the big fish sa flood control anomaly? Na naaresto na siya?
Definitely. Dahil sabi nga po natin, ang utos po niya, managot ang dapat na managot. Kung isang tao po ay may warrant of arrest, fugitive, cancel ang passport, sino po ang hindi matutuwa na ang isang taong fugitive ay maibabalik sa Pilipinas para managot?
Just a quick follow-up on the same topic. How prepared is the President considering that before Zaldico's arrest, Zaldico is dragging the President's name into the flood control anomaly saying na siya yung mastermind. How prepared is he considering kapag bumalik si Zaldico in the Philippines, he would have a tell-all of the things behind the flood control scandal?
Ang dapat na tanong dyan ay kung handa ba si Zaldico na magsabi ng katotohanan. Kung handa ba siya na sabihin kung sino. Kung hindi natin sinasabing siya'y guilty. Kung sino ba yung kanya mga nakasama. Ang Pangulo, ulitin po natin, ang siyang nagsimulang magpa-imbestiga ng maanumalyang flood control projects. Siya ang nangunang magpa-imbestiga ng di umanong korupsyon. Ang Pangulo ay handang makinig sa lahat ng maaaring sabihin ng mga taong involved at dapat na managot sa batas.
Thank you, Yusek.
Sa Attorney Mans? Who is Attorney Mans? Who is Attorney Mans? Ruby Chiva, I'm going to message you. Okay, a refugee is someone who is... A refugee is someone who flees or who would flee a country because of persecution. A fugitive is someone who would go out of the country evading the law because that person is already facing a criminal case. But when he left, he wasn't facing any criminal case yet. Correct? So it does not fit the bill. Kung sinasabi mo nga siya ay nanggaling sa Pilipinas, when he left the Philippines, isang kriminal na siya dahil may tinakbuhan niya kanyang kaso. Hindi naman siya tumakbo sa kanyang kaso. Hindi naman siya tumakbo sa kaso niya. A refugee, I'm gonna repeat it. A refugee is somebody who seeks asylum, katulad sa akin. I already applied in United Nations asylum as a refugee because I am scared of my life. My life is being threatened by the government and I am afraid that anything will happen to me if I am going to be touched by our president or his government. So I am now a refugee, an asylum seeker. In essence, I do not have a country right now. Hindi ako Pilipino. I refuse and I renounce being a Filipino. Anyway, dito naman sa magandang lugar na ito, sabi naman ng aming hari, everyone is an Emirati when you are here. So I was advised to seek help from the United Nations, and I did. And at the same time, I have solicitors that is backing me up. So you don't have to worry about me because I have my contingency plans. I also have my battle plans. We also have things that, we are also prepared. I do not go to battles empty-handed. So marami din akong mga tao na tumutulong sa akin. So I am an example of an asylum seeker and a refugee whilst waiting for the application of my asylum. Kailangan talaga yan because they are threatening me. Imagine niyo, they are attacking me online using all the resources. Itong kalbo nga maraming kirida nga pangit nga si Gomez. Of course, I have to protect myself. A fugitive is somebody who already was dealing or who is already fighting or has a legal battle or maybe sentence. May criminal sentence na siya sa Pilipinas tapos o nasa Bilibid siya. Nagdalagan sa tumakbo siya to save himself being incarcerated. So yun ang fugitive. When Saldico went out of the country, wala naman siya sang kaso. Kayo ang nagpaalis sa kanya, tama? Correct?
Thank you, Yusek. Last question on my end. Can we have a reaction lang from Palace considering na merong in-affirm ng Commission on Audit yung notice of disallowance?
I don't know. Ay ka mga wala huya sa nagapa-Gca sa akong Diyos ko, Lord Jesus. Why po ko kalabot 1,000? Iyot!
Amazing.
Wala po ko kalabot 1,000, guys! A fugitive must have the intention to evade arrest. Nga kung i-arrestuhin ka na, tatakbo ka, di wala naman sa sang arrest warrant, umalis sa Pilipinas. Yun na nga eh, hindi ako natatakot sa kanila. Guys, I'm not scared at all. There is nothing in the fiber of my being that is scared of them, no. Because I said, if it means my life, then it means my life. If it's going to cost me my life, then that's it. Wala naman sang hero na hindi patay. So kung talaga na may mangyari sa akin, pag nalaman nyo na patay na ko, sila nagpapatay sa akin kasi sila lang naman ang may gusto na mawala ako. Correct? Share the live, guys. Ang pa-Gcash muna, basta mga ganito, bala nga, I am already in the hip of my monologue. Tapos naganganga kayong lahat dito sa kala, Tapos wala naman may nagpasok sa Gcash ko, nawawalan ako ng gana. Sino ba naman ang gusto magtrabaho na walang sweldo, yot, bilat, sing iloy? Baby, give me something to drink, please. It's on the kitchen counter. My drink, can you give it to me? Thank you, Mildred. Mildred, kabalik, kabagit ka bala, Mildred. Dugang-dugang iman na, bi. Share the live, guys. Nagkahiwalay sila dati ni BBM at Lisa 2 years according to sa isang tao na close kay Senator Amy. Nachika sa kanya ni Senator Amy. Yan ang naging jowa ni BBM, ang makeup artist ni Bea Alonso. Tingting yung name niya. May na jowa pala si BBM, si Tingting daw ang pangalan. Sabi ni Senator Amy, totoo to, Senator? Kuno ha, allegedly, pinakausapan lang ni Mama Melody, Mama Mel, okay, at Senator Amy, si BBM na magbalikan sila kasi nga, tumatakbong senator ulit si BBM. At nun, at yung image niya kasi, mabait at tahimik, di ba? Sumunod naman si BBM. Kaya nanalo noong 2010 na senator. First na takbo ni BBM, adik na senator 23 yata, yung talo siya. Ay alam, meron ka palang jowa si Tingting. Hello Tingting! Tingting, usap tayo. Wala si Mildred, gani 200 lang kinapadala sa akong dagdagan nyo naman eh. Oh, thank you baby. Could you pour me a drink please? Let him come here. I do not deprive my baby boy to come here. Open! He misses me. Oh, hello. My iPod. Thank you so much. Mahal ko na si Roslyn. Dad, can you pour me a drink, please? Captain Morgan? This one. Here. What? Why are you annoyed?
What are you gonna eat? That's not gonna go well together.
Okay, I don't care. I don't know. What is your suggestion?
Well, have a steak.